Why does mowing my lawn feel like a gym workout? Gas fumes, dead batteries, and grass. Taller than my dreams. Introducing my secret weapon, the LawnMaster. MEB 4K. 300 RPM, this thing cuts grass faster than my Wi-Fi drops. No gas, no batteries, just plug and play. Eco-friendly style. 5 cutting heights, because my lawn has more moods than I do. Big wheels, big bag. Maneuvers like a pro, collects like a hoarder. Lightweight, folds up smaller than my motivation on Mondays. Stop struggling. Let LawnMaster turn your jungle into a meme-worthy masterpiece.